Consider the formula v equals u plus at. The first thing we want to do is make u the subject. So what I would do to start with here is I would just write it the other way round. The letter that I want is u. Let's put it on the left-hand side, and it should be clear that all I've done is swap sides. These two things are equal, so it doesn't matter which one I have on the left. Now all I want to do is isolate the u. The plus at is added to the u, so if I subtract at from both sides, I get u on its own. So u is going to be v minus at. Now in part B, I want to make a the subject. I'm going to do the same first step, u plus at equals v. But I've got to move the u and the a away from the t. The a is multiplying the t, the u is added to that. So using the reverse of BIMDAS, I'm going to move the u first. So I'm going to start by subtracting u from both sides. So that would leave me with at on this side and v minus u on this side. Now I want the a on its own. T is multiplying that. What's the reverse process? The reverse process is to divide. So I'm going to divide by t both sides. On this side I then just get left with the a, and over here I get v minus u divided by t, and it has to be the whole side divided by t. So note how I use a long vinculum here under the v minus u.